doing is we have our filtrate, and our filtrate is going through the PCT, proximal PCT, then to the loop of Henle. This going downward is called a descending, let's say a D, and the one going upward is called an ascending loop of Henle. We still have a lot of water in the tubule, and your body most likely needs more water. So we need to reabsorb it. The second thing I would say is the descending, it is permeable to water. Water, cancer, don't say cancer. Water can leave this tube if it wants to. The ascending is not permeable, it's impermeable. So permeable, I'm going to put like a cross there. It's not permeable at all. Water, there's a lot of water here. It cannot leave. That tubule is made in a way, the ascending is made in a way that water cannot leave. Now that's the basic thing you need to know. Now let's see what happens. To explain this, you always need to go to the other side, which is the ascending limb. You have to start here. Inside your filtrate, the other keyword is, what is the space? There's a tubule here, there's a blood vessel there. Is there a space here? There's space there, correct? Mm-hmm. That space has a name. We call it interstitial space. That's called the interstitial space. Interstitial space. Alright, so our three words are our tubule, ascending, descending, loop of Henle, our blood vessel, capillary, and not it's arterial. And then you have your interstitial space. On the ascending limb, what happens is sodium gets pumped out from the tubule into the interstitial space. Okay, so you have lots of sodium being pumped out. It's only happening at the ascending limb. So the whole space, even here, what is the space called? Interstitial space, right? So what's happening now is all of the interstitial space, okay, they are having a very, very low water potential. So let me repeat it again. In the ascending limb, it pumps out ions, like sodium ions. The sodium ion is now in the interstitial space. Now it's very, very concentrated, which means it has a low water potential. Okay, everywhere. Although it started over here, but it moves around. Okay, it's a fluid part. These spaces, they're not solid. They have fluid. They have water everywhere. But it's got lots of sodium everywhere because the ascending was pumping it out. Now what happens is, in my descending limb, okay, let me go back to it here again. Will water in here wants to leave out really badly. Water wants to escape because we have made a huge gradient, correct? There's very low water potential here, high here, but it can't leave. Ascending is impermeable to water. But descending can. Descending limb, water can leave out, it's permeable. So water from the tubule is going to exit. Okay, through osmosis, because we have made a gradient. There's a low gradient here, higher gradient here, and then the water from the interstitial space would enter your blood vessel, and that's how you reabsorb water in the loop of Henle. Okay, the more longer it is, the more you absorb, more chances you have, more surface area you have to absorb water. Pause.